Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before we dive in, just a quick disclaimer that every information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I'm going to give you my own honest review and I will try to give you an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of 4uvize.com website, and alongside we will do the review of its linked application Pkr2App. So this is a website where they say that you can earn with different ways. So they have stated all different kind of methods to earn on that website in the form of some sort of blog. And if we look at the text, they sort of do the fancy promises that you can earn in millions, you can earn in billions and all that. And if I have researched about this, and every single content they want us to pursue, they want us to do the task is related to sharing the data to bring the people to this website to refer someone else. So I believe that the data is the crucial asset, and people sell data on really high prices these days. So in conclusion, I would say this website is not legit and they are just trying to scam people and somehow get the data of the people so that they can share it with some third-party application which they will use to showcase their ads and all that. So I hope this review was helpful for you, and if you guys want me to review any other web page or product, just do let me know in the comments below. I will try to make the reviews of as much videos as I can, but since I cannot review every single video you send my way, so I have created a document to help you out to do the holistic research on your own and qualify the product or qualify the website before spending time on it, before buying any product. So do check out that document in the description below, and I hope to see you in the next video.